Alright, welcome back to a new video. We're at Bundalong just for the weekend. We've just got 2 nights here for the weekend. Just setting the boat up now. We're gonna go out tonight. We're here, it's about 4 o'clock now. Have a quick fish tonight and then go out tomorrow morning. And yeah, we'll see how we go. Hopefully get some big ones. It's been slow and it's been super warm, the water. But yeah, we're gonna just give it a go. Might be a short video, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Got him, got him, got him, yellow. Yeah, nice yellow. Wasn't too long. Right, first one for Bundy, 45 yellow. Just saw him, he was right behind us, just rolled over him and just got him quickly. We'll get him back. Got him. Good set. Big. Not super big though. No. Go back underneath it. Oh! Alright, we didn't go out super early this morning, but still, Dad got this 80 just on the carp-ish lure. Just rolled over him and he got it. I went over him, didn't care, and then Dad got it. Alright, we just come out in the afternoon. The sun is behind the clouds. It's gone really grey, but Dad got the 80 this morning. It's been pretty slow though. That was it. He had one hit. So we're gonna hopefully get some now. We're in the Mray. Have a go in the Mray. A bit cooler water. The water's 29 degrees in the ovens. It's about 26 here, so it's still pretty hot. But yeah, we're gonna get out and see if we can get any. Come on, come on. I got the carp. I got the carp, I reckon. Oh, it's a cod. In the shallows. Right in the shallows. Alright, I got another one, another cod. 52, this one's super skinny. The belly has like nothing in it at all. So there's a good, beautiful colours on him. Just right in the shallows, like there's carp there. He's that shallow. But we got him, we're getting back. Got him. Yes. Just hit it right on it, right? Right on it. Ate. Straight away, ate it. Oh, good. Yeah.
Yellow?
Yellow. I thought that would have been cod.
No, I thought it was a yellow.
Down deep, that hook's going to come out. Alright, first one for the afternoon. 44 yellow, I just guessed it. That was like, how big do you reckon? I said 44. It's bang on. So it's a good one. We got friends up, so we're going to keep this one and give them to our friends. But Dad got the 80 cod this morning, and yeah, so it's been pretty slow, but this one's good.
I ain't seen a lure.
Yeah, well, I can there. Give me a reverse. Oh, Dad. He came up for that.
Oh, he's dragging that. Did you see that?
He was vertical on it the whole way. Oh, you get another big one. Whoa. Jeez.
You feeling a bit of that?
There he is on the screen. Just in the middle there. There he is on the screen.
He's trying to swim away. Oh, he's got a mate down there.
There's another one there. Oh, you're so lucky. Still on. Oh, jeez, Dad. Jeez. Sure this isn't a barra?
This one doesn't have as much drag as... Jeez, he's spinning us around in a circle.
Do you want me to go over the... Jeez.
Come on, fella. Come up. Don't get too close to the boat.
Got it all the way in, it's got swim straight in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Dad got it 92. Fought super hard on the light reel, not on the big one. We get him back. It's all the way down his gob. He's bleeding a bit. Had some fights to him. Get him back quickly. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. It's only a short one. Just up here for the weekend. We didn't go out this morning. It was raining when we woke up. So just packing the tinny up now. Yeah, so Dad got 2 big cod, an 80 and a 92. and I just got 2 yellowbelly, so it wasn't too bad for how hot it's been and how slow. We're up next weekend again, and yeah, so hopefully we can get some. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.